girl, Asia, and I'm back once again to slay your day. So if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I know it's Thursday, it's not Tuesday, but I'm putting a little bit of extra effort this week and bringing you guys some more bomb content. Yeah, y'all see me. Today's video is being brought to you by Ebony Line, as they sent me this unit. This is from Sensationnel. It is from their Dashley line, and this is the Lace Unit 1 in the color T2 Mustard. I know y'all probably wondering why I got a mustard colored wig. Well, I just always wanted to see what I look like with yellow hair. I feel like mustard is like the one color that just looks good on dark skin. But I mean, I guess we'll see. You know, you never know. So here goes nothing, y'all. So here is Miss Dashley Lace Unit 1. This Dashley collection is supposed to be fast fashion meets hair. So it's supposed to be full of styles that you could just throw on and go, that don't require a lot of styling or maintenance. And I mean, they could have been a little bit more original with the names, but you know what? I'm gonna let them slide, okay? It's fast fashion, I understand. But anyway, I'm loving this color. It's so bright. It's more of a golden yellow than like a straw yellow, but I'm appreciating it. I'm not sure if I can pull it off though, y'all. I'm gonna just be honest, okay? But y'all know I'm gonna try, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh wow. So I am getting a little bit of tangling towards the ends, but I love this curl pattern. Wow. This curl pattern is super cute. So here she is. She's about a 16-inch, I'd say. Perfect for summer. I'm not sure about this color, guys. I feel like I look like the ghetto Goldilocks, yo. You want some pores or not? Like, what it is? I'm in your bed, I don't care. Where the 3 bears at? Where the 3 bears at? I ain't scared. No, but hold on. Maybe I'm tripping. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know down below. Right off the bat, I have to say, this parting space looks super good. Do y'all like it better as a side part or a middle part? Let me know. I think middle looks better. It look a little bit better. Not much. So guys, so since this is a fast fashion wig, I'm gonna see if I can style this wig in less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's go! Instead of using Got To Be Glued freezing spray to secure this unit like I usually do, today I'm going to be using bobby pins because I feel like it's a quick and easy way to secure your wig and go. This parting space came very natural looking and wide, so I don't feel like I have to pluck it at all, but I will be adding a little bit of my powder just to give it a more natural color. So there we have it, and I kind of want to add baby hairs. I don't know what you guys think. Do we have time? I don't think we have time for baby hairs, but it looks pretty natural even without the baby hairs, so I don't feel like this unit needs baby hairs. I feel like that's a little bit extra. And just like that, we are done. I'm not sure if we made it, guys, but this unit does ring true to the Dashley Fast Fashion Meets Hair collection because it was very easy to install. It didn't take a lot of work at all. The parting space came so natural looking. I literally had to do nothing. All I did was add bobby pins and a little bit of powder, as you guys see, and she is ready to go. So if you guys were on the fence about getting the Dashley Lace Unit 1, I would say go ahead and grab this unit, sis, especially if you're a low maintenance kind of girl. You looking to have a wig to just throw on and go, you don't want to do too much to it, this is the unit for you. I have to say, I'm not a big fan of this color. I thought I would like it more than I do. I feel like this unit would look better on me in a different color. I feel like yellow really only looks good on dark skin girls. I'm sorry, my fellow light skins, but we cannot do every color. Some things are just for my chocolate sisters, and I'm not mad at that, okay? I love me a dark skin girl who isn't afraid to try some color, okay? But I did my best with this unit. I still love this style. I love these effortless curls. I love the length. I especially love the parting space. There's very little tangling, very little shedding, and I feel like She is a wig that you can dress up or dress down. You can wear her to work, but you can also wear her out to play, okay? She's a wig that you can do it all in. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will be dropping a link in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. But that's about it for today's video. I'm 2 for 2 this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.